Hello maxaka data ka hambana vito ra mina hi mina Mandla Gerek ni ri ka noko maxava ni kha ni mi tisela tinongo wa hina wa nkanelo wa gingirikani hi kha hi dyela hi Mr Post hi kha hi dyela hi Mr Post ni mi byerini ku hi ta hina n'wi ta risimu leri ri nga tshuka ku i vuloyi hey Mr Post na vuloyi ku hava album ya xo xi nga hava mhaka ya vuloyi guys a hi tweneni ku humelela yini mhaka ya vuloyi la Wait. Hold on, guys. Mirini, this beat sounds very familiar. Money love. Futhi munhu ri sungula. Munhu twa kahle ku ri sungula njhani simu leri. Ngazi bayisana la. Wait. This song sounds very, very familiar, guys. Doziri purit. Libile na hite. Iri na Prince Rangani. Loko mi ke mina na album ya Pongo. Please go there and listen. Check track number 4. It's called Doziri Purin. Sounds very familiar. Same thing. Doziri Purile Prince Rangani ka Pongo album ya 2019. Doziri Purile. Let's minister akula kutala Doziri Purin ka this song. Ravlora Mr Post. Nangaman kana ushisa mara let's minister akun mintwa Doziri Purile ka this song guys komla bitfuna. Mr Post Vuloyi. I didn't. Nibile na hite. Prince Rangani. And I understand why it's like that because kuna Prince Rangani ka album lewan. So you can't avoid it. It's his signature, you know. Kufambe tingwenya nkelenge kusele phosa kumshena ni switu kahle la kuma mi correct n'wina mi nga na rona album leyi yi tshovekile album ya Mr Post tshovekile album I mean and yo tshoveka I mean guys Ay, okay, this is bad, but I didn't do that on purpose. Yo tshoveka I mean and that's okay, let's go. One. I mean, na mina ni rough man. I'm too rough, you know. I'm too rough for these things. Okay, come and blow this one. Xizamazama swilo hinkwaswo swi tsandza Mr Post xizamazama swilo hinkwaswo mara anga vuli yena ani o yimbelela swi ni nga ri yena mara i vulavula hi vutomi lebyi hi byi hanyaku leswi hi hlanganaka na swona I'm sorry, that trumpet. I can blow, mara nkombla give that trumpet lewan, and I feel like I have Joe Shrimani in my mind. That line, it like Joe Shriman. I can tell that line. Mr. Post, what I've loved Tom Jamina, man. This song speaks to me, speaks to my life. This song speaks to my life. And it's true, man. What I'm a man. I know believe I agree with Mr. Post. Valo, hey, look what's on Genella, what chicha. What I would chicha, Vaco and the bolo. I'll tell you, Mativa, hey. I got man. And the Kumaku simply my shark, I should this one, man. Simply my shark, man, Lavactiva, man, Lavang of a temper. Vakurwana, Vacuendela Macav Louis. But train I win. Hey, Vacu that, very, Vactanga bolo. I told Mr. Posirina, Erin, Macav Louis Fana bolo, but I'm chicha. Put my shark end. Hey, walk off on one. Vulo zifana bolo. Jagu vatanga wena, vatanga touch wena. Dirinla. Jagu this line yap tatata ne. Yavava. And it's funny, it's very comedy like. Mara yivula into yisu of low, vabatata when. I won't get down a pela bolo nukungana 22, 12 for 1, 11 is 22. Ne? So, kuna goalkeeper kuna whatever. So, pasana when, and the kumago imashaka ya when. Let's do Kangana Sonaloka and Manano. What I've low, yeah. Misuku one look not don't look lawyer, deb. Maravalo, Iva Mashaka when. Kuna one. Mashupa wala boy. Yeah, man. Ish. Hilo shaku bata ku kakayisa ezama kula ku humelela ezama ntiru ezama ku donda ezama mabindzu switsanda. Mastizizwe kuba vakukhomini vakokwanwa havativa hina. This song is very personal to me. I'm sorry, it's personal. You know, vai karata vanhu lavowa and mashaka leswi ndlaku swi nyangatsaku swilo leswiwani I loyi mashaka a ku na munhu loyi a tlangata ku loya ni va tiva la xinkavani xa hoxi nga wela kona voni yi sungula kahle lana. I'm sorry I'm getting personal. I'm sorry I'm getting personal, but this song speaks to me. Kuma na mpundu wa pfuke na mpundu ku haxiwini la ka n'wina ku haxiwa swilo nga swi tivi ku kumelela yini. Loko u fambi celeta kuma ku celeliwe swilo tinhloko ta timfene tinhloko ta timbyana va tindle swilo leswi hinkwaswo vakokwani n'wa maxaka ya wena ha va tiva. This song is too personal. I usually give a 10 to songs like this. Song little like Gukurtin Kumba. Bakumekela. Ku ramba nwini man ku ri na conference ya va profeta minti ya n'wina man hi ku la ku loya munhu loyi a nga ku titirheleni. Yes. Mr. Post kombela va byela va petsa. It's a shame man. It's a shame ku ri fane hi hanya ka vutomi bya so kuma ku wena yo ti zamazamela swilo va la ku ta va ku twisisa va ku testa so. Mara va nge helo hey hi ku loko ri na xikwembu swi tirha a swi fi. The only thing ukuba ikigega gaso zikindla zokhe so bathi ngoma itshela na Mr Post. Okay, I'm not sure if I've another shading. I'm not sure about that drum thing. Let me listen to it again. I'm really not sure. This is a very nice song. Mara this part, yeah, that feeling. I am not sure. Let's hear. Okay, should do me very very magdala do kuma lawyer. Oh, what about Dala? Mino kazagunan. Vata Salavagno. Okay, I'm not sure about that part. I'm not sure about it. This is a very nice song, but I'm not sure about that part. That part, I'm not sure about it. I'm not sure. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling. Lying of kanchi I'm just feel. Mara, I love the chorus or I love the logo chorus. I love that part. It's a good song. I'm sorry, this song speaks to me, speaks to everyone that is out there. I'm coming Dashil, Nafsigu. I'm coming Martin. The only solution is solution. She was sick. Wamuna Kongela. Show trash queen Wakaman. Wakangena vele maravengu koti. Shatira, eh? Maravalo vele vatlupa ngalava. Ene mashaka vala kutesta wena, vala kudonda la kuloya ehenhla ka wena. Ay. Hi, Mr. Post, one. I love it. I'll give it this song. I'll give it a 9.5. I'll give this song a 9.5. I broke this thing. I got too passionate and I broke it. I can't blame Mr. Post. Short Sovek Asulis. Short Sovek weather bad. Kumukula super glue. Kulama super glue. Oh, Kulama super glue. What about Dala? Okay, Nikasile. I don't know some one that got a Lagulawan. And I was a shark fan of Prince Rangana Ripurin. That's a funny thing. Tayana Tiluan. Lava Gublo Farini, Lawan Prince Ranganu responded with those Ripurin. And at the back fan of Timetuan. Comment that analysis when where she check out Pongo, Calba, Mena, Rangani last year. That's one of the Safana, it's the same beat. And the message of from Belana. Hey, Lord Sidney. I can see the Mr. Post. You can see the Mr. Post and then some Terela. Guys, we're doing the last song. Kankandala Kingirkani, Kavla, Dubula Mo. Yamatalvaranda Sinera Dubula Mo. And we don't want to come at the social network. Talk with Melanie Dubla Moya, Kankandala Kingirkan.